Go, 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 go. Hit it. Go, 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 go. R8 key, R8 key, not in there. R8 key, ooh, not in there. Where's the R8 key? Oh, yes. R8 key. Let's ride. You guys thought a key was safe in the microwave? Try a dishwasher, you know what I'm saying? So, in today's video, I'm not too sure what we're gonna get into yet. This is a how to do a launch control in a 2018 or newer Kia Stinger. About to go program the garage door opener on the R8, but we may order the exhaust. We'll see. But first, we gotta go do a few things, and yeah, so let's go ahead and pull the R8 out of the garage. Yeah. Alright guys, quick pet peeve. If this guy watches my channel, thanks for watching, I appreciate it, but please, guys, look at this. Right next to the R8, which he's not that close, that's not the point. Look, parking spots everywhere. Not even close to the door, which is all the way over there, and he parked right there. I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's just common courtesy, you know? Like, just park somewhere else, not there. I mean, I'm just saying. So, yeah. Anyway, continuing on. All right, time for a little food vlog. We are here at Roosters, which a lot of you are not gonna know what it is, but it's really good food, in my opinion. So, yeah, let's roll. I'm not gonna eat here because there's no parking spots and I'm not waiting. So, on to the next place. Yeah, on to the next place.
Legitimately a monster truck.
In the words of the fiance, it's a monster truck. That thing's huge, are you kidding me? All right, so in turn, we're now at Subway. So yeah, you guys know what Subway is, not gonna bring you in, so let's go eat some Subway. Yep, be right back. Heyo, we're reversing the roles. We're behind the cop. So today's a good day, because you know, well, quite frankly, he's not behind us because we're not going too fast, because we always keep it right under 55, you know what I'm saying? Yep. So we're about to lower the ears in old Great Clips. Got the cop there, got me here, which, you know, good because I'm behind him, so kind of good thing. But yeah, I mean, if you guys know what I mean by lowering the ears, you know what I mean, and you know, see you in a minute. Boom, here we are. Yep, ears are lowered, you know what I'm saying? Got the beard trim too, so thank you Great Clips. Yep, up there, and let's continue on. Whoa, we got ourselves a Karma Fisker. Got ourselves another Kia Stinger. Yep. Alright, so we're back home. We are about to go program the garage door opener on the R8, but first you guys are like, why was I at Sam's Club? Well, this is why I was at Sam's Club. Oh, the glare's awful. But anyway, we got a poster print of the Audi R8. Looking pretty sharp, if I do say so myself. Looks good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. We're gonna hang it in the garage. I think it's pretty cool. Maybe frame it. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, off to programming the garage door opener, and then we're gonna talk about, you know, which exhaust I plan to get. Let's shop around. Let's look online, and then, you know, we'll let you guys do some comments down below as to what you think. But I think I know what I'm gonna get, but not entirely sure yet. But we'll see. Yeah, let's do one thing at a time here. On to the garage door opener program. So if you're here just to watch this stupid thing get programmed in the Audi, then cool, because there's not a very good video online. And then if not, then I guess you can skip past this and move on to the next subject. Let's go. So it doesn't look like much, but when you zoom in on it and you walk up to it just a little bit, it's a good sized spider. For those of you that are going to get triggered, I'm sorry, but it has to go. So yeah, before we program the R8, now that's got to be, well, dealt with. So yeah. Alright, so we're totally winging this. You're going to need your handheld garage door opener and then obviously your key because you're going to have to start, well, you don't have to start it, but put it in accessories mode at least. So yeah, let's jump in the car here. Alright, so you have this lovely beep, which is totally awesome. Oh, hold on. Let's turn the air completely off. There we go. Cool. So you have this really annoying beep. You have every light on because it's in accessories mode. Don't get trigger because some of you guys are going to be like, ah! No. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So first thing you're going to want to do is up here. Hopefully you can see lighting's not great. You have 1 through 3 here. First thing, you got to hold both of them. I believe, again, totally winging this from what I sort of seen and pieced together. Hold them both to clear everything for like, I don't know, I think it's like 30 seconds. So let's see. I'm going to time lapse this, but about 30 seconds. Alright, and then now we're good to let go because it's a fast blink. And so let go. Cool, so now they should be clear. So now you just hold the button that you want to get memorized. So I'm going to hold number 1. Keep holding it until, I want to say it's just the soft blink like this. So if I let go, yep, so it's going to keep going. So now I think I hold my garage door button. Hey, heads up, because this might be coming your way. So anyway, so yeah, so you hold this garage door button now, because you have 5 minutes, I think, to program this. So if I hold it, oh, and it's blinking faster. So hopefully that means it's paired. Let's see. Cool. Now, moment of truth. Let's hit the button. Ayo! We got it! We got it! Yes! Ha! Hey, first try, never doubt. We got it. Yep. That's legit. So, yeah. If you were here to watch that part of the vlog, you're welcome. So, that's how you program a 2009 Audi R8 HomeLink system. So, yeah. For those of you that are Kia Stinger fans and that came to this channel for the Kia Stinger, well, you're in luck in this vlog because guess what? We're about to take the Kia Stinger while we talk about the exhaust. So, funny enough, we're going to talk about the R8, which garage door's closing, and the Kia Stinger. So, yeah. Let's roll. Here in Bowling Green, Kentucky, it's really hot. It's reading currently 95 or 96 degrees, and yeah, it's scorching outside. So, yeah, the car's like really filthy. I don't know if you can see the hood or not. It's real dirty. But with that being said, I haven't cleaned them because it's really hot. So we're gonna clean it when it gets cooler, which is in about a week. But yeah, it's unfortunate. Whatever. 3, 2, 1, hit it! Go, 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 go! Alright, and just before we talk about the topic of the exhaust, we're going to do a quick launch control for you guys. So this is a how to do a launch control in a 2018 or newer Kia Stinger. So without further ado, let me show you how to do it. Let's ride. Alright, so over here in the center, you have to take traction control off. You have to hold the button until both items are completely off. There you go. Both of them are off. You need to take this turn dial and turn it to the right to get to sport mode, and there it's indicated. And then, hold on, we're about to do it. We got to go out onto a road here to where we are allowed to do it. You have to put your left foot on the brake, right foot on the gas. It'll say launch ready, and then off we go. Man, whew, wow. Yep, so that is how you do launch control in a Kia Stinger. And like I said, this one in particular is a 2018, but even the newer one, same thing. That is literally how you do launch control right there. And if you're like, oh, it's bad for the car, no, it's actually not. It's only holding it at like 2,000 RPMs or so, so it's not a really hard launch. Not to mention, Kia literally performs this launch control in their what is it, PPI or whatever, whatever it is, before they deliver the vehicle. Whenever they take it in off the truck, they have to do it. So yeah, it's really not bad for the vehicle. Before all of you in the comments are typing away, it's not. So moving on, let's talk about this exhaust. Let's go. Audi R8 exhaust. I know you guys are like, where is this exhaust at? I'm wondering the same thing. Where's the exhaust at, right? So here's been the predicament. I originally wanted to do an exhaust, and then I was like, well, maybe I'll do a custom exhaust one-off. But now I'm leaning back more towards just buying an exhaust. So with that being said, I'm now between, do I just straight pipe it or do I get an actual exhaust system? So I think what we're gonna do is I think we're gonna end up straight piping the car. I have talked to James. James said that whenever he had, I believe, AWE, the straight pipes on there, he said that it didn't drone too bad on the freeway. So if it's not too bad, I can live with it, right? I mean, if my neighbors are watching this, I apologize, but when I start my car, I want you guys to wake up too. So yeah, you guys might hate me, but sorry, don't know what to tell you. So yeah, I think we're gonna go straight pipes. I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm shopping around between brands right now. One of the heavy contenders is Rev 9, which some of you are gonna be super triggered that are like, oh, that's a cheap exhaust, that's junk. Okay, have you owned one? So if you have, then legitimately put your comment below and let me know. But I am on a budget, right? I mean, I just bought an Audi R8. I have a new daily driver, which is the Chevy Trax. I have a budget. It is what it is. And I don't want to spend a ton of money, but I do want it to sound good. So that's why I'm leaning towards that. I've read a lot of forums on it, and from everything I've read in the forums, no issue with the Rev 9 exhaust, and actually really, really good reviews. So with that being said, I think we're going to do the stainless steel Rev 9, straight pipes, no muffler, and let it ride at that. Maybe. We'll see, we'll see. Maybe we'll look online for just like a minute or so, you know, whenever I get home. And then I think we're going to order the exhaust here within the next like week or two, probably max, unless something else presents itself, because I have been talking to some other companies about, you know, channel sponsorship and stuff and such. So yeah, we'll see, we'll see. But the exhaust is coming. I have been hunting for an exhaust nonstop. My fiance is probably a little irritated with me because all I do is look at Audi R8 exhausts and film for you guys, so sorry. But yeah, just like that, we're gonna end today's video. Please like, please subscribe. Have a great day. See you guys. Peace.